Hi, I'm Matthew, and today what I've created is I looked at modular backsplash. So basically, for example, when you're at a sink or a place like that, I would create these. I would call prisms, and these would be placed behind sinks because usually. But behind sinks, there are walls and there are paint, and that would ruin it. But then since nowadays, it's usually tiles which are waterproof. So because I've looked into that, and I've seen that how mostly these areas, for example, kitchens and bathrooms, walls are usually empty space, and there's usually nothing that you can really mount onto these walls. So what I've seen is that I've created these prisms in a way, and I created a very simple shape, and I looked into how I can make a a space more efficient. So for example, putting modifications on one simple prism, for example, like a handle. This can be for towels in a kitchen environment or a bathroom environment. Or then if I, for example, connect three together, I can store, for example, kitchen utensils in a kitchen environment, and also looking beyond that. So for example, looking at other shapes, I've combined, for example, three of these prisms together to create essentially a hexagon. So if this would be for plants, which would be good for kitchen or bathroom environments. So mainly this is a user-centered product, and basically what people can do is that they can put prisms together and create the shapes, because usually kitchen areas they're plain boring, they're not really effective. So I've created a product. These walls can be used and made effective and beautified.
Are those 3D printed?
Oh yeah.
What material?
Plastics, because I looked at a method because I was mainly looking into backsplash. So plastics would be a waterproof material which can help that. Yeah.